Hi guys, how are you? I am so excited about this tutorial. I'm just going to do a little excited dance. Canva has listened. Canva knew how important creating curved text was, and they have finally delivered. I didn't know it was happening until a few days ago when the Canva community announced it to us. We have had to keep stum about it until this point, but now we've had the green light to share it with you. So without further ado, I'm going to show you exactly how to create curved text in Canva, which will just take you seconds to do. Let's make a start. So this is probably going to be the quickest video tutorial I have ever done because creating curved text in Canva now is so easy. So I have uploaded an illustration of a rainbow with a nice curved edge to it, and I want to add some text around that curve. So I'm going to head over to the left-hand toolbar and click on text. And then I'm going to select one of my brand fonts. There it is. Let me just move that back and increase the text box. Sorry, I'm losing my voice here. And I'm going to type hashtag keep smiling. I think that's quite appropriate for these days. I'm just going to edit the text slightly by clicking on the spacing tab, and I'm going to space out the letters a little bit so they're not all bunched up. A little bit more. Okay. And I'm also going to increase the size and bold the font. Okay, that's fine. And before I do anything else, I just want to make sure that my rainbow illustration is centrally aligned on my template. So I'm just going to select it once. I'm going to go up to the toolbar and click on position and make sure that I've selected center. And I'm going to do exactly the same to the text. I'm going to select it once, click on position, select center, and that will ensure that the center of my rainbow is exactly aligned with the center of my text. Now all I need to do is head on up to the toolbar and select effects. And then you can see there's a new text effect button that says curved, and I'm going to click on it. Now the curve is too much at the minute, so I need to reduce it a little bit by grabbing a hold of the button here with my cursor and just sliding the button along the slide bar until the curve reduces slightly. And I don't know if you can see, there is the outline of a blue circle on my template, and that is going to help me align my text so that the curve matches exactly with the curve of my rainbow. So let me just carry on reducing the curve of my text. And as I do that, you can see that the blue circular outline increases in size. And the curve gets wider. Can you see that? Now what I need to do is make sure that the circular blue outline matches exactly the curve of my rainbow. And I think that's pretty much spot on. Now if I let go of my cursor, blue circular outline disappears. And I can now reposition my text by holding my cursor down over the top of it and dragging it down towards the rainbow like that. Or I can move it further upwards, or I can move it from side to side, whichever I want to do. So for the moment, I'm going to just bring it down so that it just sits above the rainbow, just like that. Let go of the cursor. And that is it, and that is all there is now to creating curved text, and it is so much easier than what we had to do before. If you're excited about this, let me know and give me a thumbs up. And actually, if you share any designs, why not upload them to Instagram and tag me so I can have a look. So how fabulous is that? It literally just takes a few minutes, if not seconds, to do. So who is going to be hopping over to Canva now and testing out that curved text? Let me know in the comments box. Give me a yes if you're going to give it a try. Don't forget, I've got a whole playlist of other Canva tips, tricks and tutorials for you. Make sure you check them out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and turn that little bell notification on so you're one of the first to know when I publish a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.